I think one of the responsibilities of somebody in my position is to familiarize yourself with the customer's criteria, expectations, and machinery that is used in the packaging process, so that when we are confronted with a questionable issue, we can draw on that knowledge, and that's critical. Absolutely, there's no substitute for that.
When you're designing a box, you got to look at how the whole thing is going to flow through the plant, how it's going to manufacture.
If you don't have the appropriate amount of effort put forth in the design stage, then you're opening yourself up for potential problems in the manufacturing stage.
A lot of times in the printing industry, someone will print a piece of paper or something as fancy as a brochure, and they want to get a color up somewhere, and they just boost it until they get the color they want. So that looks pretty good, let's go with that, just keep it running hot. We won't do that because it's not a repeatable process, or it's not an easily repeatable process. Anytime we do something, if it doesn't work right, we fix the process.
We're doing an excellent job in terms of getting equipment in here that's got new technology associated with it that can detect discrepancies. One of the criteria that our customers habitually look for is fiber tear. In other words, where it's glued, it is glued and very secure.
We have new glue systems which have scanners in them that detect for glue. We have scanners that detect for mixed product, all these kind of things. That technology takes a lot of the concerns, that the operators used to have and have to watch all on their own. Now it gives them a tool. They still watch that stuff, but now they have a tool that's also watching it for them. So if they have a glue defect or a carton defect, it's automatically caught with lasers and scanners on the machine.
In our bindery area, we now have scanners on our folding units that we feel extremely confident in, that can detect when, for instance, copy is missing or that side of the sheet is blank.
You can go back and just change something and it'll be fixed almost instantaneously, where we would used to, if there was a mistake, you'd have to come back, pull the job off press for the entire day. It would take all day to fix it. Now we can fix it within minutes and have it back out to press within a half an hour.
Everyone in the organization has to be on the same page in terms of the necessity of providing a quality product the first time and realizing the anticipated profit from that manufacturing effort.
If there's questions on the quality of the product, we do have a QA department that will handle the majority of it, but when they want to see someone from upper management, I'm the one that has to go and see if I can reassure them that we're taking the steps necessary to make sure they get a quality product at a fair price.